Hello and good morning to you from Chandaka Nature Resort near Chandaka Forest. अभी टाइम तो 10 हो रहा है लेकिन आपको एक टूर दिला देते हैं both from above and our eye view and from bird's eye view. So this is the Chandaka Nature Resort. Let's enter into it. अंदर चलते हैं. बहुत ही खूबसूरत और वाइड स्प्रेड जगह है ये. That's the black beast. My reliable, faithful beast. I mean, I wish I had some more time to take some B-roll and footage and stuff, but then we have to keep rolling. तो जैसे ही आप अंदर आते हो चंदका नेचर रिजॉर्ट के, आपको पार्किंग मिल जाता है यहाँ पे. You see, there is a proper parking lot. Good enough space to park at least 8 to 9 cars, 9-10 cars. Due to the rainfall and everything, the condition is like this right now, but then yeah, in drier seasons it improves. आगे चलते हैं. यहाँ पे हमारा दीप बाबा जी वेल्डिंग करने बैठे, शायद डीगा टूट गया. बैड लक. एंड एज यू एंटर इनटू दिस इज अ लॉबी एरिया, बट देन इसको छोड़ के हम लोग पहले राइट साइड देखते हैं. याद आ रहा है कल रात उधर देखो. हाँ, दैट्स द रेन डांस प्लेस. और यहाँ पे चेयर टेबल्स वगैरह सब कुछ लगा हुआ था. देयर वाज इट्स अ नाइस एंड ब्यूटीफुल लॉन. देयर इज अ नाइस हैलोजन लाइट देयर, सी इन द सेंटर ऑफ द स्क्रीन. So it lit up that whole place. हम लोग वहाँ पे बैठे हुए थे and then we had some wonderful fun, मस्ती, गपशप. कैंप फायर भी था वहाँ पे जो कि जला नहीं. आप देख पा रहे हो वहाँ पे एक कैंप फायर था लेकिन जला नहीं. Anyways, तो और यहाँ से चलो अब चलते हैं. This is the main lobby area. पूरी जगह आपको दिखाने के लिए I will use the drone. बिकॉज इतना पैदल तो मैं नहीं चल सकता एंड टाइम भी नहीं है उतना. सो दिस इज़ दी रिसेप्शन एरिया. एज यू गो इनसाइड आपको रिसेप्शन यहाँ पे दिखता है एंड दैट इज़ दी कैंटीन. दो काफ़ी बड़े बड़े लेक्स है यहाँ पे. वन इज़ दिस वन, द अदर वन जो आपको रूम से दिखाया. रूम भी आपको दिखाई देते हैं. चलो, कैंटीन में ज़्यादा कुछ खासकर देखने का नहीं है. As you move towards this place, it's a wonderful place where you can spend quite a few days in utmost silence. Relax करते हुए आप spend कर सकते हो. तो यहाँ से आप अगर राइट लोगे वहाँ पे स्विमिंग पूल आता है. कल का फुटेज देख लो. आगे जैसे ही चलते हैं रिलैक्स करते हुए वहाँ पे राय, you already met her. चलो अब रूम की तरफ चलते हैं. There are quite a few rooms with such verandas. देखो, मतलब अगर रूम से भी बाहर निकलने का मन ना करे तो वरांदा में बैठो और मस्त नज़ारा है. द रूम्स आर AC रूम्स बुक्ड फ्रॉम ओयो एट अराउंड ₹700 विच इज़ डर्ट चीप आई वुड से. आगे जाके रूम का हालत आपको दिखाते हैं. दीज वर आवर रूम्स. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द रूम्स. प्रीटी ह्यूज रूम विद अ प्रीटी ह्यूज वरांदा, अलमीरा, प्लेस टू कीप योर स्टफ्स. या दिस इज हाउ आई लुक राइट नाउ. स्वेटी एंड दैट्स अबाउट द रूम. स्विमिंग पूल के तरफ अभी जा सकते हैं लेकिन शाम का व्यू आपने ऑलरेडी देख ही चुके. Let's meet another person and then listen from him what this resort is all about and what all things there are here. I myself call him Rajda. He's also the owner of the place, and before that he's a helicopter pilot. Damn man, that's cool. So that's Rajda. Okay, so Rajda, tell us a few things about this place. I mean, why you set it up and how you set it up. It's such a beautiful place that you own.
Actually, the idea was to have a place outside the city for myself.
Yeah.
So I started developing. I have a lot of interest in farming.
Right.
So this is all bamboo jungles when I got it.
Yeah.
In fact, we had to take aerial shots to find out what I bought.
Right.
Okay.
It's such a huge place.
Yeah, it was all jungle. We didn't know. So slowly I started doing farming. Then we dug up these 2 lakes.
Okay, these were dug up?
Yes.
Okay.
And then mango orchards, which you would have seen. All these plants, and we have paddy fields also that side.
Okay.
So I was doing this. Then I built my house where I used to come and stay and meditate.
Okay.
And a lot of people like the place. They said, why don't you start a resort? This is right next to Chandaka Nature Reserve. That is the Elephant Reserve.
Elephant Reserve. Okay.
Earlier we had to have that banners of elephants.
Can we
coming.
have safaris from here as well?
Yes, yes, you can. Just order him.
I did not know that.
Yes, yes, yes. He'll come right here. into
What
the
other activities are available? For example, we saw there is a swimming pool.
There's swimming pool. There's zorbing. Actually, I just deflated it because of the storm.
Okay, I saw the Zorb picture in Oyo.
Yeah, zorbing is there. And boating also will be starting very soon. There is archery.
There is archery there?
Yeah, you didn't see?
No, I did not see
Or
it.
just pick up this thing and after your breakfast go there.
Okay, we'll do that. I mean, we missed such a lot of things. यहाँ पे आना है तो कम से कम 2 night.
Yeah.
हम लोगों को पता नहीं था. If you guys come, then कम से कम 2 night. Else you won't be able to enjoy just this place alone. Okay.
The waterfall is there. I've just blocked it because of the storm. Na?
Okay.
Otherwise, there's a waterfall there.
I mean, guys, let me tell you that you are listening to all of this from the person who built it and planned it himself. Okay, so I'll leave the links to book this hotel below.
Block the water from the stream because of the excessive flooding. Otherwise, this waterfall.
So this is a natural waterfall, or you built it?
No, the water is natural.
No.
The platform and all are built.
Okay, but the waterfall is natural. Okay.
Channel it so that people can go and have a bath. And some people have rain down here. Some people go and take a bath there.
Yeah. Okay, it was nice to talk to you.
Yeah, thanks. Spend some more time. This is a place of tranquility.
So, chalo, breakfast.
Have you-